Hi there. Today we'll discuss about electrical interface components. This is Start tab. The Start tab contains two sliding frames. Number 1 create and number 2 learn. When you click on create sliding frame, the create page will display it. The create page is divided into 3 columns. Number 1 get started, number 2 recent documents, and connects. In the create page, you can access sample file. Suppose you can click in here, you get many more sample files. And this columns is recent documents, which documents are closed recently. And in here you can find many more templates, as well as if you need connect, you can sign in your account and you can give your feedback. When you click on the learn sliding frame, the learn page will be displayed, and this learn page provides tools to help you learn AutoCAD Electrical. It is divided into 3 columns. Number 1 what's new, essential skill video, and learning tips or online resource. If you need any type of skill videos, just you can click in here and you will show this video, and you can collect many more new information in here. Okay, no more today. Thank you.